Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be making hash browns, so let's get started. So the ingredients are parsley, some garlic, salt, shredded cheese, a couple eggs, melted butter, couple potatoes, black peppercorns, and Organo. So first let's start cleaning the potatoes. Go. Alright, so we're done cutting the potatoes. Now we just have to throw out the trash and wash the potatoes. So I'll be going back inside the house to throw this out. Alright, now we're gonna shred the potatoes. Okay. So there's a lot in here, but you can't really see it. But either way, we're gonna just lift this up and a lot's gonna come out. Why does it look like a square pizza? All right, so we got this. All right, so we shredded all the potatoes. Now we have to do the sauce or like whatever's inside the, what is it called again?
Hash browns.
Hash browns. Go. All right, let's do the others. Where's the other egg? All right, that one's. All right, so we're gonna chop the parsley now. Okay, so drop this in here. Boom, bam, bop. All right, now we're gonna squish the garlic. All right, I used the small one, so that's like nothing.
Oh.
All right, now we're gonna smash these, the rest. Bodybuilder time. Bodybuilders do this. All right, now we're gonna be putting on the cheese. Sprinkle that. All right, now we gotta put the butter. I just used the knife. Big brain, totally. Okay, so the knife didn't work, so I got a spoon to, do it. I'm gonna try to put that in there. All right. Since I don't have nothing for Organo, I'm just gonna use the whole thing. So, in you go. And now, black peppercorn.
These all the way. Oh, never mind, you good. Try it all the way.
A little bit of salt for the taste, you know what I'm saying? All right, now just gotta mix this up, not with my hands, because I'm not touching raw eggs. So, spoon time. So mixing is done. Now we have to put it on the cupcake makers thingamajiggy. I don't even know what it's called. So, but obviously we have too much for mini one, so my assistant Mikey is getting the bigger one. I know this is gonna be really good because almost everybody likes hash browns, so that's why I'm making them. All right, so I think that's a ball shape. That should be good enough. All right, and when we bake it, it's gonna go all the way up. So let's do the rest. All right, so we're done. And it's not fully of this, but it's all right. We used like half of it. So I'm gonna wash my hands, so be right back. All right, so we finished putting all the potatoes mixed with the sauce in the cupcake thingies. So once you've done that, go to your oven, set it to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and then you're gonna wanna bake it to 40 to to 45 minutes. So let's go. All right, so set your oven 400 degrees, and then wait, and then put the cupcake things in. So I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna set it on and put the thing in. So I'll be right back. Okay. So click bake 400, and then start it. So once your oven reaches to 400 Fahrenheit, we're gonna be putting this in and then doing it all over again and then waiting 40 to 45 minutes. So be right back. Really good. I can't wait to try it. They're really good. Let me know what you guys think of it. You guys should really try this at home. It's really good, especially with ketchup. But without ketchup, not really flavorful. So I'd recommend eating it with ketchup. So let me know what you think of it. Bye guys, see you in the next one.